PANASONIC Eluga i3, and let me show you how to switch into the guest mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the apps icon. Here we need to find and select the settings. Let's find here and select users, and of course you are now in the owner mode, but you can switch into the guest. The device is switching to guest mode, and now you are in a guest mode, so you can use your device as a guest. So you will have disabled a few options, for example performing the hard reset. Let's tap now settings, and here if you would like to go back to the owner mode, let's tap the users again, tap owner, the device is switching to owner, and now you are back in the owner. As you can see here, you can also add some other users. Tap just OK, and here you can set up this user. Let me just use this switcher. For example, you can turn on phone calls and text messages. You can also remove user if you would like to, and you can also use more key to, for example, add users when device is locked. So basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.